Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are in high spirits. Today, I'll teach you a chapter, A Letter to God, from your book, First Flight, and this chapter is written by G.L. Fuentes. This story is about hard life and extreme faith in God of a poor farmer who had lost his crop due to heavy rain and hailstones. His corn crop was the only source of income to fulfill his family's desires. Students, now let us discuss the characters of the chapter. First is Lencho. Lencho was a poor farmer who lived on the peak of a low hill with his family. He had firm faith in God. Another important character is of Postmaster. Postmaster was an amiable person. Amiable means friendly. Who had Lencho. He gave a part of his salary to retain Lencho's faith in God. Lencho was a farmer. His house was the only one in the entire valley. It was on the top of a hill. His field was full of ripe corn. He was eagerly waiting for downpour. Students. Downpour means good rain, to have a good harvest so that he could earn money for his family. But you know, children, sometimes Mother Nature is against human beings. As Lencho hoped, it really started raining at the time of dinner. So, this gave Lencho a ray of hope. He was extremely delighted to see that. He compared the raindrops with silver coins, but soon his joy turned into despair. Despair means disappointment. But why? Because the rain changed into hailstones, and hailstones ruined the crops. Students, ruin means destroyed. The field had been covered with snow. Lencho was very sad and worried for his family. As you know, Lencho was a very poor farmer and he had lost his corn crop, but he had extreme faith in God. He thought of writing a letter to God. He asked God to send him 100 pesos. Students, pesos is the basic monetary unit of several Latin American countries. Latin American countries like Mexico, Colombia, etc. Lencho asked for money so that he could sow his field again and support his family. He also wrote that if God would not help him, his family might die of hunger. So, Lencho wrote a letter to God. It was really quite surprising that somebody is writing a letter to God. Now he dropped the letter in letterbox. This letter was received by the postmaster. Postmaster was an amiable man, as we have discussed this already. Amiable means friendly and pleasant. Now the postmaster read Lencho's letter. First he laughed. Soon he became serious and was touched by the extreme faith of Lencho in God, because it was surprising for him also that somebody wrote a letter to God. He didn't want to shake Lencho's faith in God, so he decided to collect money. See, children, the kindness of postmaster. He requested his employees and friends to help Lencho. He himself contributed a part of his salary for this act of charity. He collected 70 pesos. It means still 30 pesos are less, and put them in an envelope, writing only a single word as a signature, and the word is God. Now, Lencho, when got this letter along with money, he became angry when he saw 70 pesos in the envelope. As he had already demanded 100 pesos, he became very angry. According to him, God could never do this mistake. So he decided to write a letter to God again for the rest of 30 pesos. So he started writing the letter. In this letter, he requested God not to send 30 pesos through post office because he thought the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. Bunch of crooks means dishonest people. See the irony here. The employees who collected money for him, Lencho called them a bunch of crooks. Lencho thought that God sent him 100 pesos and 30 pesos were stolen by the employees of post office. So he wrote a letter and dropped it again in the mailbox. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.